Good afternoon, children. Let's learn subject EVS. In EVS, we'll learn next lesson our clothes. Children, why do we think we need clothes? How do clothes protect us? We need clothes to cover our body so as to protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain and insects. Clean clothes make us look smart. You can look at the picture. So, we should always wear clean and proper clothes which are comfortable. We should always wear different kinds of clothes according to the different seasons and occasions. Let's begin with first, that is summer season. The type of clothes we wear in summer season. It is very hot in summer. We perspire a lot. That means we sweat a lot. So we should wear light colored cotton clothes. They make us feel cool and comfortable. Second is rainy or monsoon. The type of clothes in rainy season. It rains heavily in rainy season. So we should wear raincoats, caps and gumboots to protect us from rain. We can carry umbrellas too. Third is winter. The type of clothes in winter. It is very cold in winter. So we should wear warm woolen clothes like sweaters to keep ourselves warm. Festivals and party wear. There are different types of clothes where we wear for party and festivals. We wear colorful party clothes for different occasions. Traditional clothes are worn during festivals. Uniform. The most important thing for we school children. Children wear school uniform when they go to school. They do not wear them at home. State clothes. Children, there are different types of different states in our country. For example, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Kerala, different types of states. Now these states have got their own traditional clothes. So, children, remember, each state has got their own tradition as well as their traditional clothes. Remember, children, wear clothes according to seasons. Always wear clean and tidy clothes. Take good care of your clothes. Change your clothes more often during the rainy season. Thank you.